Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M2 CS in Black Sapphire Metallic. It is one of 81 in Canada. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW M2 CS in Black Sapphire Metallic. I will first apologize that the car is actually filthy, and I'll secondly apologize, the car is now sold. And I was gonna try and wait to see when this car was fully detailed and ready for delivery, but I'm worried that it may not happen while I'm here, and then I'll miss making a video on this car, and then I'll cry every day. So I decided, you know what, the car is still like on some suspension pucks or something in there, so the height is not correct. But I just did not want to miss the opportunity to share this car with you, especially because it's literally my favorite car in the current BMW lineup, and it is an awesome car. So let me do a little lap all the way around. It is in the corner of our delivery bay, so it's kind of close quarters over here in the corner, but that's okay. And I notice the trunk lid's not even closed. There you go. That insane duckbill. So now that I've done this lap all the way around, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got the beautiful Black Sapphire Metallic, and again, car's filthy, so that's why it looks like that. The main color for the vehicle is the velvet blue metallic color. You can also get Portimao blue, or as shown here, Black Sapphire Metallic or Brooklyn Gray. And the hood is more or less the exact same as all the other 2 Series, power dome, and you've got the lines coming off the A-pillars here. We have the rondelle up front and center. We have the new M2 CS specific kidney grille. So it's got this side piece, horizontal slat, vertical slat, M2 CS on this side, and then the diagonal slat that comes out and continues on. So there's a new, instead of the horizontal slat there, the diagonal one. And this part I think is more or less the same, but the front end looks really good. And of course we have this rubber front splitter. So that also sets the M2 CS apart. And I also see this one's got radar puck down here as well. So front end of M2 CS looks pretty nasty, and let's do the full pathway lighting, just like that. So that looks sweet. So yes, I'd mentioned this is one of 81 units to Canada. I don't know exactly the number of units to each other country, but this one is the Canadian market. And if we take a closer look at these headlights, they are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. So just the same as the Shadowline LED headlights in the M2, but look really good. Now, the car is slightly lower, but we have suspension pucks on here, so it's not ready yet, but we have the 19-inch front, 20-inch rear, 827M wheels in gold bronze. So this looks wicked. This is the same wheel you'll find on the M4 CSL, the M3 CS, and the M4 CS. And we have the red M compound brake back there. And if you did get the carbon ceramics, it would still be red, but the rotor itself would look a little bit different. So that is sweet. And before we continue, let's take a look at that rear 827M wheel. Looks good. I love how concave it is. Now we have carbon fiber side mirror. We have the whole M2 CS look. That looks awesome. We've got carbon fiber roof. We have new style antenna and side profile view. You can see we've got black window surrounds. We have flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access. We've got warning sign from Germany, Hofmeister kink. There's that wide rear quarter. This car looks amazing. And one of my favorite parts of the whole car is this trunk lid. So we got this crazy duckbill, and I feel as though Alpha N came out with their duckbill trunk lid for 2 Series, and it was pretty aggressive, and then probably BMW M saw that and like said, okay, well, we're gonna make this one even crazier. So if you have the Alpha N trunk lid, this one doesn't even look like it. Now in the back, we've got these iconic 2 Series tail lights for the G generation. M2 CS badging over here with the red outline. And yeah, tail lights look sweet. We've got the vertical reflectors on the back here. And down here, I wanted to point out, we've got the carbon fiber M2 CS specific rear diffuser and the quad exhaust pipes, of course. And there's a shot of the muffler down there. That looks sweet. I really like this rear diffuser. It looks so good. It's kind of funny though. It's got this like little spot here. But yeah, it looks awesome. So with the key in my hand, press and hold the tailgate button. So as I'd shown in a previous video, this trunk lid is mega light because it is full carbon fiber. So that is sweet. It's mega light. So inside here, this is more or less the same as all the other 2 Series coupes. Release levers to fold down the seats. Carpeted mats, winter mats, front plate bracket. 12-volt plug in there. Little netted area, there's your wheel lock key. And then another little netted area on this side. And we've got your wheel lock key, tow hook, tire inflator kit. And there's a grocery bag hanger here. And yeah, the netted area is usually not on this side on the regular 2 Series. So the M2 CS does gain an extra net, which is kind of funny. So underneath here, there's some handles. So you can close this without touching the exterior, but you gotta throw it because there's lots of resistance from these 2 hydraulic posts. And this thing is so light. So I think that closed it. Yeah, we got it closed. Sweet. Back end just looks ridiculous. Like imagine you're following this car. Now if we look in the fuel cap door found on the passenger side connected to the central locking system, we are looking for 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise 1 click. There's a little spot to put this. And when you're done, it's just clockwise 1 click. And while we're here, let's take another peek at this 827M wheel. And let's open up the passenger door. And I think I've left just enough space so it clears the post. Perfect. So we've got, it looks like carbon fiber in here with CS glowing through. Typical 2 Series triangles, stitching going around here. Got your window switch, pockets, aluminum M2 CS door sill, so that is M2 CS specific. And we've got Harman Kardon in here. We have carbon fiber trim on the dash. We have the new vent designs. We have glove box down here illuminated. And we have M carbon bucket seats with M highlighter colors and lit up CS on the headrest. And that's with full power side bolster. And we've got the M strap here, lift that up, put the seat into the acute angle. The seat will move forward, allowing us space to get into the rear seating area. And in this lighting, look at that carbon fiber. And then we have M tricolor seat belts in the back seating area. Okay, we got some triangles here. I thought they were gone, but I just couldn't see them in the lighting. We also have the coat hanger on the back of the B pillar. And in the back seating area, these are the Vernosca leather seats in black with the white contrast stitching. The headrests in the back can flip up or flip down. We also have the M tricolor seat belts here. And there's also a pass-through through the center here as well, but there's no armrest, just like all the other M cars. On the ceiling, we've got the reading lights, a little storage area, and this is the M2 CS center console. So we've got carbon fiber underneath all the plastic wrapping. We just didn't want to get it scratched. There is a USB Type-C charging port in this little storage area. It says CS on there, which looks awesome. And if I put the seat back into the recline angle, the seat will go back into its previous position. And we have carbon fiber across here. There's a couple of water splashes we've got to wipe off. We have iDrive 8.5 with the M specific display on the curved display. And soft touch materials on the dash. Cascading ambient light. We've got Azure on right now. And we've got your wireless charger, a little spot to put your key where that is right in there. And we've got USB-A, and we have M gear selector with M tricolor stitching, red push start button, and this is all carbon fiber in behind here as well for weight savings. So this car saves in total about 44 kilograms, which is around 100 pounds compared to the regular M2. So I think we've got a good look from this door. Let's shut this door and we'll go on the other side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, let's open that up. So again, we've got the 2 series triangles, stitching going around, carbon fiber in here with the CS lighting up. So it does light up in whatever ambient light color choice you have. So you do have 9 color choices for that. And down here, door pockets, tailgate release, M2 CS door sill once again. And this is the driver's side, M carbon bucket. That looks awesome. We have the flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, carbon fiber on the face of the steering wheel, carbon fiber shift paddles as well, and M tricolor stitching. Stitching on the airbag, red marker at 12, head-up display, and up top we've got the black roof liner, SOS for roadside assistance. We've got some reading lights here as well. And on the underside of your rearview mirror, those 3 buttons are for garage doors. And just because I saw the radar puck was outside there, and I can see on the steering wheel, so we do have the active cruise control in this vehicle. That's pretty good that you got that cruise control. Not that you'd ever use it. We also have the ability to do some automatic parking as well. So automatic back park, automatic parallel park. And I just wanted to see, since we've got this here, so we do have the M drift analyzer, we do have the M lap timer, so if you are buying this car for track, definitely will be able to utilize those features. And if I just go to the live vehicle screen quickly and put it on the adaptive content view, so I just wanted to see what happens if we start the car. Alright, so I've just started the car, and I just wanted to hear what it sounds like with the exhaust flaps open. So I do have it in the M2 config. The car's just warming up right now, but I just wanted you to go to the back here. That definitely sounds really mean. And since the ignition's on, doors open, CS is blinking in red, so if I was a cyclist, hopefully I would see that I'm not crashing into your door. So down here, we've got signal stock, exterior lighting controls. There's the pedals down there. Dead pedal still has a sticker on it. Here's your hood release. It's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we will not have to find anything here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline-6 twin turbo. And this time we have 523 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. We have the triangular strut brace here as well. And we also have positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal. Washer fluid goes in there. And this thing is running right now. I don't see any difference on the underside of the hood compared to the regular M2. And just like all the other BMWs, 2 latches into the hood. So you literally just got to send her down when it's about halfway. And with the car running, the lights show up on the camera properly. So we're just going to let this warm up for a minute. I'm just going to open some doors so we don't get carbon monoxide poisoning. I'll be right back. We also have the optional leather steering wheel instead of the Alcantara, which is pretty interesting. And yeah, we're just waiting for the car to warm up. I wanted to do a little exhaust rev note for you. We need the car to warm up. The car still needs to do its brake-in service at 2,000 kilometers, just like every other M car. And with the increase in power and the weight savings, we advertised this car 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. So it can definitely go faster than that in optimal conditions. So I really love the M2 CS. This is my favorite car in the lineup. If I could buy one car that we have, it would be this one. But I really honestly would not be opposed to just a regular M2 with a manual transmission, because I think that's going to be more dailyable and less worried that something's going to happen to my CS. But yeah, let's just keep letting it warm up for a bit. All right, we are warmed up. Let's hear the S58 through the M2 CS. All right, that sounded absolutely insane. What do you guys think of the M2 CS sounds? Let me know in the comments below. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more last lap all the way around this crazy car. I still have it running. It looks insane. I really love the M2 CS. And I already see a lot of you out there posting, why is this car $130,000? It's only X amount faster than the M2 in terms of power, blah, blah, blah. If you're wondering these things, or you're asking yourself these things, or you think these things, then you simply just don't understand what this car is. It's a collector's item. It is the ultimate driving machine. And power to weight, this thing is absolutely nuts. I think it just posted a 725 on Nordschleife, which is pretty crazy. So yeah, this car is fast. So how do you like the new G87 M2 CS? And if you were going to get one, what color would you get? Velvet blue, Black Sapphire Metallic, Brooklyn Gray, or Portimao? Let me know in the comments below. Man. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M2 CS in Black Sapphire Metallic. This is one of 81 in Canada. This is my favorite vehicle in the lineup. BMW, if you're listening, please give me one of these. It's the one car I want. I'll just take a regular M2 manual at that. But yeah, if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.